Hi, I was asked to show you how to update the RAM tester to version 4.0 or any version you would like to have in your RAM tester. So that's the RAM tester, and you can see up here there is the ICSP. That's the new version. In some versions the ICSP was over here, but the pinout is exactly the same. So actually the easiest way to do it is if you have a programmer, something like this, and this to actually make the contact between your programmer and the RAM tester. So if you have a probe like this, you can simply, those are spring-loaded connections, so you can just put them up here, you have contact, and as long as you do the update, it will make contact. Most people don't have something like this, so you can also go with an Arduino. So you take any Arduino UNO that's available, and then you need some jumper wires. As you can see, I only had very short jumper wires that are male on both sides. So I will just show you once it's connected, because it was a bit of a problem to actually hook it up, but it works also with the short ones. And first you need to prepare the RAM tester. First you need to prepare the Arduino to be an ISP, so an in-circuit service programmer or in-circuit software programmer, so that you can load software onto the RAM tester. So I will show you how to do this in the IDE, and then you can start programming your RAM tester with any version you want. So in the Arduino IDE, you go under File, and then in Examples, the last item, usually it's the Arduino ISP. So this will open a new sketch, that's the Arduino ISP sketch. Choose your board, that should be an Arduino UNO, and then you also choose the port where it's connected to, and then you simply upload this sketch to the Arduino. So it will compile it, upload it to the Arduino, and then your Arduino now has basically become an ISP capable board. So what you do next now is you load the source code from the RAM tester, and then again you choose the board, that's an Arduino UNO, and also the port that where your ISP is connected to. Then check that you want to program Arduino as ISP, and in the sketch now you choose upload using programmer. So now this will take some time. It will compile the source code, and then it will start uploading the code. So here I'm going to show you in real time how this works. So as you can see, I have all the pins from the jumper cables that come from the Arduino in the ICSP port, as you can check on the documentation page which wire goes where. And then actually you need to hold them as long as the update lasts, because otherwise you would lose contact and the update might fail. If that happens, don't worry, you didn't break your RAM tester, just redo the procedure. Everything will be fine. Once the blinking stops, your RAM tester is updated, as you can see shortly. Then you should have a working RAM tester. You can check the version, switching all the switches down, and check the version. That's it. Good luck.